Hi Wise Families, it's Miss Baker, and I want to show a little experiment that you can do at home and learn about the science. Please, kids, make sure that you have your parents around because it does involve boiling hot water. So what you're going to need are a few simple things. You're going to need an empty pop can, water, a pair of tongs, and something to hold about 2 inches of cold water. So what you're going to do is you're going to put about 1 inch of just, warm water is fine in your pop can. And you're going to put it on the stove and heat it up until you can really hear the water boiling, until you can see the steam coming out. If you have gas burners, no problem. You're going to definitely want parents to help you. Your arm might get tired because you're going to have to use the tongs to hold it over until, again, that water is steaming and boiling inside. So be careful doing that. I've done that before and it does work. Then, once you've got this really steaming, you can see my can here, the water, and you can probably hear the water boiling. What you're going to do is you're going to grab the can with the tongs and quickly flip it, hold it over the cold water, and oh my goodness, that was one of the biggest ones I've seen in a while. The can is completely crushed. And I want to talk a little bit about the science of what's going on here, of course, as well. So when you are boiling that water inside the can, the water is turning into steam. And what's going on is the gas particles are moving really fast and they're trying to get out of the can. And then when you flip it and you just touch the top of the can to the cold water, the gas particles inside are suddenly like, we've been going crazy and it's really hot, but now all of a sudden it's really cold, and so their speed slows down. They start colliding with the walls at a slower rate. And so essentially the pressure inside, the force per area on the walls of the can inside goes way, way down. So now atmospheric pressure can crush the can. And you might have already known this, but all of us have pressure on us at all times. We just are so used to it that we can't feel it. But we've got every inch of our body has, like a 15-pound dumbbell, basically, of air particles colliding with us. And so it was just atmospheric pressure, that pressure that's on us right now, that crushed the can. Again, because there are more particles colliding on the outside of the can than the inside once you reduce the pressure. So good luck with your at-home experiment if you dare. That's my disclaimer, and I hope to do some more of these so that you guys can keep having fun and keep learning science at home. Bye!